Hello, I am Mr. Only. Welcome to our English class. Today, we speak English together. This is for you. You are a beginner. That is okay. Today, we practice your morning. We talk about waking up. We talk about breakfast. We talk about clothes. Please listen to me, then speak with me. You must speak out loud. Do not just listen. Say the words. Repeat every sentence. Repeat it again. Repeat it many times. This is how you learn. Are you ready? Let us start now.
Hello, I am Sarah. Today, Mr. Only and I are at home. It is 7 a.m. It is morning. Mr. Only is in the bedroom. I am in the kitchen. We are getting ready for the day. We will say simple sentences. You listen to Mr. Only, then you listen to Sarah, then you say the words. We will go very slow. Let's practice your morning routine.
I wake up.
Now you say, I wake up.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I open my eyes.
Your turn. I open my eyes.
I see the sun.
Say it. I see the sun.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I stand up.
I stand up.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I wash my face with water.
I wash my face with water.
Let's stop. I ask, you answer. Do you wake up?
Say, yes, I wake up.
Do you wash your face?
Say, yes, I wash my face.
Good. Let's continue.
I am in the kitchen.
Sarah is in the kitchen.
I make coffee.
I make coffee.
I drink coffee.
I drink hot coffee.
I drink hot coffee.
I drink black coffee.
I drink black coffee.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I eat eggs.
I eat eggs.
I eat 2 eggs.
I eat 2 eggs.
I eat bread.
I eat bread.
I eat toast.
I eat toast. Do you drink coffee?
Say, yes, I drink coffee.
Do you eat eggs?
Say, yes, I eat eggs.
Do you eat toast?
Say, yes, I eat toast. I go to the bedroom.
I go to the bedroom.
I open the closet.
I open the closet.
I look at my clothes.
I look at my clothes.
I choose a shirt.
I choose a shirt.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my shirt.
I put on a white shirt.
I put on a white shirt.
I put on a blue shirt.
I put on a blue shirt.
I like my shirt.
I like my shirt.
I put on my pants.
I put on my pants.
I put on black pants.
I put on black pants.
Do you put on a shirt?
Yes, I put on a shirt.
Do you put on pants?
Yes, I put on pants. I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my socks.
I put on my socks.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I brush my hair.
I brush my hair.
I am ready.
I am ready.
I am ready for work.
I am ready for work.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you brush your hair?
Yes, I brush my hair.
Very good. Now let's practice again. I will say the sentence. You say it back to me. We go slow. Speak loud. Speak clear. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink water. I put on my shirt. I put on my shoes. I go to work. Now I ask a question, you say yes. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you eat bread?
Yes, I eat bread.
Do you wear a shirt?
Yes, I wear a shirt.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth. Great, one more time, faster now.
I wake up at 7. I eat eggs for breakfast. I put on my black shoes. I am happy today.
You did a great job today. You spoke English.
Yes, you are a student now. You are learning.
Practice this video every morning. Speak with us every day.
Please write a comment below. Write one simple sentence.
Write, I drink coffee or I eat eggs.
We want to see your English.
You are doing very well.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. See you in the next video.